Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Paramount Plus with Walmart Plus. To begin, ensure you have an active Walmart Plus membership. As a valued Walmart Plus member, you're eligible for a complimentary Paramount Plus Essential subscription at no additional cost. Simply log in to your Walmart Plus account, navigate to the Benefits section, and locate the Paramount Plus offer. From there, you'll be guided through a few easy steps to either link an existing Paramount Plus account or create a new one, unlocking a world of entertainment. 6, 8, 12, 14, 16, 17, 19. With your Paramount Plus Essential subscription, you gain access to an extensive library of entertainment. This includes over 40,000 episodes and movies from popular brands like CBS, BET, Comedy Central, MTV, Nickelodeon, and the Smithsonian Channel. You can also stream live sports, such as NFL on CBS and UEFA Champions League, breaking news with CBS News 24/7, and a wide array of exclusive original series. While this plan does include limited commercial interruptions, it offers incredible value for your viewing pleasure. 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 18. Once your Paramount Plus account is activated, the next step is to download the Paramount Plus application. It's available on a wide range of devices, including smart TVs, streaming sticks, mobile phones, and tablets. Simply open the app and log in using the email address and password you established during the activation process through your Walmart Plus account. You can enjoy your favorite shows and movies on up to 3 different devices at the same time, making it perfect for families. 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 13. It's important to remember that the Paramount Plus Essential plan is a direct benefit of your active Walmart Plus membership. Should you wish to experience ad-free viewing or access your local CBS live stream, you have the option to upgrade to the Paramount Plus Premium plan for an additional monthly fee. Just be sure to keep your Walmart Plus membership current to ensure uninterrupted access to all your streaming benefits. 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 15, 19.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.